Hello guys, welcome to Las Vegas. Guys, we just came to take a picture in front of the Las Vegas, the famous Welcome to Las Vegas sign, but look at the crowd here. Hey guys, thanks for joining with us for another adventure trip. Temperature right now it's 102. It's really hot, but there's no other option. So today whole day we'll be exploring Las Vegas, like walking, drive around. So it's going to be a wonderful day, so stay tuned with us. So right now we are at the beginning of the Las Vegas Boulevard Strip. From here, we need to find a parking place to park our car. Guys, finally we found a parking place. This is one of the cool things in Las Vegas. When you want to take a walking tour, just enter into any of one of these hotels, and it's one connect with the another. You don't have to be under the hot sun. So you can always walk from one hotel to another. Here's a nice facilities. Guys, we just enter into a Luxor hall. Guys, these all are the shopping section inside the Luxor hotel. This is the pyramid style hotel in Las Vegas. See, all those people are waiting in line to check in the hotel. Last night we had gone through the same thing. It was super crazy busy for the check-in. Finally we just check in. It's a self check-in. You have to do everything on the machine and you get. That was totally crazy experience to check in here. That's now the crazy part is to find our room. I think it's gonna be another mile hike to find the room. Yeah, from Luxor we're just getting into Manly hotels. If you are a shopping lover, when you come to Vegas, come with a ton of money. So we just took the tram to the Excalibur Hotel, which is the medieval theme based hotel. Yeah, their theme is pretty cool, especially all the lights are very. It's kind of fascinating one. So we're just done with that place. Now moving to New York, not the New York State, but we have a New York here in Las Vegas. It's really getting hot here. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the current temperature. Guys, each time we comes out from any hotels, we feel like we are jumping into a fire pit. So we're just done with the MGM. The MGM Grand. We just checked, they don't have the live lion anymore. Guys, we pretty much done with the park MGM. Now we are going to take a trauma game to area in Bellagio. Bellagio is one of the super duper famous one here in Las Vegas.
And now approaching Bellagio.
Guys, have you ever seen a chocolate fountain? It's a pretty cool fountain. I never seen something before like that. Guys, this place is absolutely crazy. We thought we don't spend much time here because since we have to explore the other side of the town, but more than half an hour, kind of this ambience hold us back. It is super cool and wow, I don't know what to say. It's unbelievable. Even it's very hard to get a picture because it's packed here. Like was all other hotels, even Bellagio is super crowded. There's a lot of people waiting to check in. Wow, look at that. It's really cool. So guys, here is the fountain of the Bellagio. We think like every hour they do the fountain dancing, so we're just gonna walk to downside so we can have a very close view. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Guys, we are just on time. We are so lucky actually. We were not aware about the timing, but as we walk here we saw there's a lot of people standing there, so we kind of guessed probably every 1 hour they do, so we just stayed and that was an awesome experience. So now we are gonna go to Paris. Let's go to Paris. See what it is. Is it playing in the sound system or somebody's really playing? Oh, that feels so good. See, within no time, we reached to Paris. So they have a nice theme of the Paris street here. Oh guys, it is 3:44 now. Finally we decided to sit somewhere and grab some lunch. Still we have a couple more places to see it. Look at this, the mist. Oh, that feels really good. So we just decided to grab some Mediterranean food. We love the Mediterranean food very much. It's nearby the Holy Red. We thought to go there, but if you see the line to Holy Red, it's all the way up there. That's how it is busy. So we just came to the Mediterranean. I have some pizza sandwich. Oh, that's getting hungry.
Got myself pepper.
Oh, that looks good. That's really good. Guys, we are.
Unless you want to go to Paris first and then come back to Caesar's Palace. We have the Venetians up there too.
Where? What about Paris or? Okay, we decided to go to Caesar Palace. That's right there across the road. I really like the Caesar Palace. My goodness, the artwork they've done here, it's really amazing. Pictures and the paintings, they're guys, this place is absolutely crazy. This is called Fountain of God. Guys, we are on the way to Italy.
Venice, actually.
Venice, actually, yeah.
Actually, we are in Italy now. We're in Rome.
Rome, yeah.
But we're going to Venice.
Venice, yeah. They have some cool features there, especially their the canal shopping section. That is unbelievable. So let's go and explore. This is one of the main food court area, and on the other side you have the canal, and both sides you have all the shopping outlets. It's pretty fancy.
So we had an interesting yet exhausting day here in Las Vegas, hiking around town, seeing the different hotels and casinos, almost 10 miles of walking.
With the 102-degree Fahrenheit heat, it was terrific and exhausting, but still it was really a nice experience to explore this town.
We'll see you next time.
When we hit that trail.